Hi there, my name is Boris with my channel as usual. Today I had a lot of work at my garage and I'm not sure how it's right at or on or in. I'm not sure how it's correct in this form. I'm so sorry for that. And what it was? It was a lot of work with my tires because I got my new tires from England. It's A1 Cobra for my motorcycle, and I had a lot of work with replacement these tires on my wheels, and uh, I not ended, and I hope I will end it tomorrow with all of this replacement. Also, I need to change my brake pads. I need to check my seals on the wheels. I need to check my brake fluid and something else, and I hope tomorrow on the evening I will end in all of this work, and finally I got work working motorcycle, and uh, we will have some fun with this. We will have some travels with my wife and with my friends on our weekends for some places, uh, and I really wait all these plans, and um, for luckily we have bad weather on this week, and it's rainy, windy, and we have low temperature, and it's so boring, and it's so sad. All this time I wait summer, we wait summer, we wait hot, we wait sun, but in our place it's not a long time, not a long period for fun, for happy time with summer. And this, for example, on this week we got temperature. Yesterday we got temperature something around 4 degrees at the night, and above zero, and it's terrible, I think, because it's the end of May. And what's wrong with you weather? uh, but this time get me a little time for my stuff in a garage, for my replacement with motorcycles, and it's good. Because if it will be a hot temperature, and at this time I will have to do something replacement with my motorcycle, it will be um, really terrible because our season is really short. And I hope tomorrow I will end in all these works, and I want to show for you, I think tomorrow, all these changes with my motorcycle, and I hope. Thank you for watching today, and see you tomorrow as usual. Bye.